Yeah.
Class assembly. Word of the day. Aware. To aware something. Meaning, to state or assert something as a fact. Example sentence. The report awares that profits will rise next quarter. Origin. Old French avere from Latin versus, meaning true. Thought of the day. Truth does not change because it is ignored. By Aldous Huxley. It was written in a diary, I think, a journal. This quote reminds us that facts and reality remain true, whether we choose to accept them or pretend they do not exist. Ignoring a problem will never make it disappear. Kerala landslide tragedy. Early last morning, heavy rains caused huge landslides in Wayanad, Kerala. Indian Army soldiers and local rescue teams are working together through the mud to save people and clear the road. Japan earthquake. Falling a large 7.1 magnitude earthquake near Tokyo, Japan. Engineers yesterday finished inspecting the city's high-speed bullet trains to make sure the tracks are completely safe for passengers. Quiz, but how? There will be two hints. The hint at a homophone or a homonym. You need to guess which word it is. One by one, I will give you the chance to answer. Clue 1. I am a hard-shelled marine mollusk that filters water and produces shiny, precious pearls. Clue 2. I am a quite highly secretive person who refuses to share information with anyone else. Please, sir, can you choose someone?
Yeah, Shrutik.
Shrutik.
Is it a clam? Is it a clam?
Not exactly, no.
Atharu.
Oyster.
Yes, it's an oyster.
Yeah.
Riddle number
Good.
2. I am a large, intelligent black bird often associated with ancient myths, mystery, and dark omen.
Raven.
Clue 2. I am a dramatic literary verb that means to speak about something with extreme, boastful pride.
Bhargavi.
Eagle.
No.
No, Raven. It's a
Vihan.
Raven.
Wait.
This was one
yes.
of the answers, but since you said it out of turn, I am going to take only the other answer. And this answer, anyways, wasn't actually correct. It was only
Yes,
correct.
It was a
one-
Rehan, you can tell the
Crow.
answer.
One of the two clues. Rehan,
Crow.
it's a crow, yes.
Crow, yes.
Fun facts.
But-
Pigeons can solve complex probability maths. Pigeons are incredibly intelligent birds that can actually
Yeah, I know, but they're
outperform
better than
human university students in probability puzzles. When tested on the famous Monty Hall problem, a math puzzle involving switching choices to guess where a prize is hidden, pigeons rapidly calculate the statistical advantage of switching options through trial and error, while humans constantly struggle to understand the math logic. Well done today.